everybody, how's it going? If you've been keeping up with a few of the videos we've been posting lately, you'll know that we're doing a complete drivetrain overhaul on the Z here. In the last video we dropped the diff out, and today we're going to be focusing on taking the transmission out. So I'm going to kind of run you through what we're going to be doing, and then me and Ian are going to try to get everything done before it gets dark, or at least we're going to try to. So let me just crawl into the car here. Alright, not sure how easy it's going to be for you to see here, but we're going to start out by draining the fluid and dropping the exhaust system, and then once we get that done, there's the gear shift going into the interior there. We're going to have to take that out. Then obviously we have all of our bell housing bolts, we have the slave cylinder and hydraulic system. That's all going to have to move out of the way. Starter's going to have to come down. We got a few, wiring harnesses here and there. There's also the speedometer gear. Transmission mount also is going to have to be removed. And I believe that's it. The drive shaft is already disconnected from the diff since the diff is removed. So that will be, that'll just slide out the back. So yeah, we're going to put the camera down and we'll get started. Here we go.
Whoa! Oh God.
That might be why the transmission's a little fucked up. Alright, so we just finished getting the transmission out. Everything went pretty smoothly, but the transmission definitely seen better days. In the next video, we're going to be focusing on getting the new clutch in. Or first we got to get the old one out, and then we'll get the new one in. So until then, keep an eye on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in your next one.